Welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make some yummy chicken wings. And now we have different chicken wing recipes on our website, yes. But these ones right here, the sweet chili garlic wings, are super easy to make first of all. Totally delicious, okay? And I think your family will really love them. So let me show you how to do it, alright? First, if you might hear the noise in the background, that's my air fryer cooking the chicken wings to get it nice and crispy. So what I do there, if you have an air fryer, I take like about a 1/4 cup of oil to about 10-15 wings. And what I do is season the wings up, pour some melted coconut oil, I like to use for the most part, put it on the wings and just kind of like get them nice and saturated with the oil. Pop them inside the air fryer real fast and let it cook generally it's been taking me about 20 to 25 minutes to get them cooked and crispy. So you want them really nice and crisp. But keep checking them, turn them over, and check them again. If you have an air fryer, you probably already know, so either way. But right now, what I'm going to do is make this sauce, and it's super simple. So what you're going to do, you're going to need about 3 tablespoons of this chili. Now this chili garlic sauce is what really makes it. I love this stuff. You can find this at any grocery store, Kroger's, Walmart, really super. This is in the Asian aisle, okay? You're going to need about 1.5 teaspoons of pure sesame oil. I like to use a pure or natural one, and it has to be at least toasted, okay? You're going to need about 10 to 15 drops, according to how sweet you want it, of liquid stevia. You know it's my favorite thing, guys. You're going to need about 1/4 cup of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of my favorite maple syrup, of course, Lancanto maple syrup. This will give it that little sweet stickiness to it. You're going to need about a 4 teaspoon of this ginger. So this ginger is ginger paste that's already made up, so you don't have to grate the ginger. If you use fresh ginger, that's fine too. Just grate about a 1/4 cup of that. It gives it that little pungentness in the backdrop. This one I get at Trader Joe's, guys, so it's really good. Easy, and it's inexpensive. And it lasts a long time, so because sometimes, you know, ginger gets kind of dried out, you know. So what we're going to do is take all these ingredients. Let's turn on our burner about very low at first, okay? And we're going to put all the ingredients in and just give it a little stir and put that on low. So do you guys like Asian foods? These Asian wings are delicious. I think I have gotten this same Asian wings at, I forgot which, it was someplace I was out and about, because I made this recipe a little bit a while back, because I was wanting some type of sweet, sticky, spicy wings. And forget where I got them from, but they were so tasty. And it might have been in New York, where I used to live a long time ago, where I grew up at. But they were so delicious, but I figured, how can I get them to taste, be more keto-like, you know? So let's get 2 tablespoons of that maple syrup. And this really gives it that good sweetness, apart from the stevia. Let me see. Let's get all the rest of the ingredients in. So basically, what you're going to do is just dump all the ingredients in a low heat. Get it stirred up. Let's get this one. Oh yeah, a tablespoon of coconut oil, if I hadn't mentioned that. And you know, guys, as I always say, the recipe, I'll link below in the description, and you can find it on our website. So just in case I missed something in here. Trying not to do that, but just in case. So let's get a few drops of our liquid stevia. One of my other favorite things, because with liquid stevia you don't have to worry about the powderiness, and it'll blend in easier. I'm going to taste it to see if that's enough. You let that get cooked up and melt down. That coconut oil melted. Just give it a good whisk. See my little baby whisk? That's it. So if you guys like chicken wings, what's your favorite flavor of chicken wings? My other favorite flavor is like the garlicky Parmesan ones that we have. We actually have a YouTube video for that, and it's on our website as well. So yummy, guys. You gotta try that too, but first try this one. Get it all whisked together. Let me see. That's good. Woo. A little bit spicy, but it's good. So what you're going to do is let this cook for about 10-15 minutes on super low so it can get kind of thickened up, all right? So we're gonna let that cook, and then I'll go turn these wings off, and then I'm gonna put them together and show you what it looks like. 3. All right, so we have our chicken wings all done, like I promised. Look at that. Crunchy, crispy. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll take them out. So you want to get them to a point where they're about crunchy like that. Really, really crispy. And that way, do it while they're hot too, guys, because if you do it while they're hot, all of the sauce will like absorb into the wing and just get all into the wing once you toss them in it, making it so much better, I'm telling you. So do it like that. I'm gonna put at least about 15 wings in here. I'm gonna save the other ones on the side for the camera girl because she don't like spicy, which is my daughter. So I'm gonna save some of those on the side. But generally, I would use this sauce. It makes about 3/4 cups of this Asian sauce. So normally, I would put like at least about 20 to 25 wings and toss it. So I'm gonna start off with half the sauce, and then you can also serve the rest with like a dipping sauce on the side, guys. So it's so good. Oh, you know what? I forgot to get my plate. Hold on, let me go grab that plate. That might be helpful. Okay. Got our plate, guys. And I like this plate. It's, you know, it looks fancy and almost like, you know, Asian-like. So you can serve it in a platter. You can just serve them in a bowl and eat them. Whatever you want to do, guys. So, but I like things a little bit, stepping it up, especially if you're going to make them for a dinner party. So you toss your wings in, and just go ahead and we're going to plate them up. Pour a little sauce on them and give them a try. The smell is amazing. The aroma, whew, and it has a little spicy kick, I'm sure, because of that chili sauce. So I like to serve them up like this on a plate. And you can make these in advance, your wings in advance, and just heat them up some and then pour the sauce on. Or you can actually put the sauce on. You can do the sauce ahead of time. It'll just absorb in more. So let's get some of that sauce and pour it over this. Because you know we eat with our eyes, like I always say, so I'm going to put a little more sauce over it. Ooh la la. That looks good. I'm excited to eat this actually, as always. So let me get this one on the end. So are you guys, let me know in the comments, because I'm always curious, are you a wing person, like the upper part of the wing, like the little drumstick part, or are you a flat? I like the flat, so I'm going to give it a try real fast. Nice and crispy. Oh, that's really good. With all this combination, guys, let me get a napkin. I'm getting excited. That little backdrop of that maple syrup, you can't tell it's maple, but combined together with the chili paste or the garlic chili sauce, so good, guys. Sweet, it's sticky, it's just delicious. So definitely give this one a try. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications every time I upload a video. So I'm Rosemarie, and you guys have a blessed day because I'm about to get down on these wings. Enjoy. Bye, guys.